I'm now moored up. I'm about, I don't know, half a mile from Braunston. That's about it. And I did moor up originally about half a mile up around the corner. But I had no internet. I could have sworn I'd moored there before and had internet. So I moved. So I've come around here now. I was moored up there for probably an hour and a half, 2 hours before I actually moved. I wasn't actually on the internet at the time. I was playing around doing some bits and pieces. It wasn't until I went to log in and nothing happened, because I assumed I was going to get internet because I thought I'd got it there before. Oh well. Anyway, I'm moored here. Let's show you where here is, I guess. Sun's setting over in that direction right now. It's just going down in the clouds. It's about 7 PM now. It's going to be dark about 8. Here comes a pigeon's roost, look. No, all these horrible outlets, of course, you know. When you look over these wonderful fields, you know. I don't know how I put up with it. I really don't. It's a joke, by the way. And what is really horrible, you see that colour of the water? Well, since I've been moored up, an oil slick has started drifting down past me, and I can see it as far as the eye can see that way, and as far as the eye can see that way. So that's not very good, is it? I can't do much about it. There's nothing to do with me. As I say, it came drifting down from that direction, which is quite odd really, because coming from that direction makes it a bit weird, because the locks are in that direction and they go uphill, and so do the ones if you go down the North Oxford. That's the Grand Union, come down to here, and so do the ones on the North Oxford at Napton. They all lock down this way, so you would have thought that this water would be flowing in that direction predominantly towards Hill Morton locks, where they flow down again. So I can't understand how come the oil slick came from there in this direction. What do I know? Of course, water flows uphill. I forgot about that. Yeah. Anyways, just a little one this week. Just thought I'd show you that. Yeah, I can't do anything about it. I'll show you what I can do, which if it's only a little bit. So what I have done in the past was just a little bit of a spill. I've got this little squirty thing, which is a mixture of mainly water with a little bit of washing detergent in it, you know, washing up detergent. And if you squirt that onto it, you can see how it breaks it all up. So I can get rid of it a little bit and break it up and disperse it. But I can't do the whole canal with one little squirty. It works. So yes, just a little environmental disaster video for today. I do bring you all sorts of different things, don't I? And I thought I'd show you that. I don't like it. I think it's horrible. I really do. But anyone that allows oil to go into our system like that shouldn't be on the network to start off with. I don't know who it was, of course. I've no idea. When I came down earlier, it wasn't there. So I don't know where it's come from at all. All I know is it's here now. And now, because there's obviously no lock movements and there's no boats moving around, it's just sort of stagnated around me. And I don't know how far it's that way, and I don't know how far it goes that way. I can see the shine on the water in both directions, so I know it's going off in both directions. So there's a little something different for this Wednesday's videos. I know I've been bringing a little few odd things just lately on a Wednesday. I know a lot of you like my walking videos. I haven't been anywhere I haven't been to before. So, you know, I just really haven't been able to do a walking video, because I've been going over a lot of the same ground. the countryside and everything always looks different depending on the time of the year. So I'm bringing you cruising videos, but walking into a town, I can only show sort of the same pub and the same shop and the same church. You know, I can't keep showing them. They'd, just be a bit boring, wouldn't it? Anyway, I thought I'd bring you that. Something that really, really upsets me to see. Personally, can't really do much about it, as I say. Get rid of a little bit with my squirty can, but that's about all I can do. Well, the side of my boat now is none. Well, thank you very much for watching anyway. Putting up with my little rant here about somebody else creating a problem on the network. I really appreciate you watching. I appreciate everybody that supports the channel and all the ways you do. Well, that just leaves me to say thank you very much for watching. Trevor out.